We live in an increasingly energy-hungry world. From generation to distribution, this energy infrastructure is essential to our everyday lives. Spectra makes it easy to perform routine O&M procedures for solar PV plants across the globe. Generate high-resolution thermal orthomosaic maps and measure the temperatures at any point. Identify and categorize defects in solar plants according to IEC standards. Get defect overviews and understand the health of your photovoltaic systems at a glance. Post the generation of power, Spectra helps in maintaining the power distribution infrastructure as well. Perform remote inspection using Spectra's powerful annotation capabilities. AI-based defect detection allows for remote inspections that can reduce your inspection turnaround times by over 40%. Create a repository of digital twins and manage thermal, RGB, and LiDAR data seamlessly in a unified platform. Improve your electricity infrastructure with smarter data management. From solar to transmission, utility inspections can now be transformed with Spectra.